Every US citizen living in Canada has to file a tax return. And I get this call a lot that I didn't earn any US income, but that is not an indicator of whether you have to file a return. The US in general, they tax on citizenship, not on income. So if you live in London, England, you have to file a US return if you're a US citizen. If you live in Canada, you have to file a US return. There is not necessarily, there's little different tax traps, but double taxation, because if you file a Canadian tax return, you get credit on your US return for what you paid to Canada. Canada has higher tax rates. So in most cases, my US citizens filing every year have a foreign tax credit that carries forward. So they're not paying taxes in Canada, but they must file, and they must file all their bank accounts. And honestly, your bank account filing has a greater penalty than your failure to file a tax return. For not filing an FBAR, what it's called, there could be a $10,000 penalty for not disclosing bank accounts. How this came about is Americans love to put money offshore, say in Bahamas, say in all kinds Cayman Islands, because there was very little taxation and it was not seen by the IRS. But Canada, even though it is not considered a tax haven, if you are an American living in Canada, you have to report your bank accounts to them, because this is how the IRS was able to catch people avoiding taxation. So make sure every year, file a return if you're an American, even if you did not earn income inside of America or US income.